Comments, for the subscribers, and I want to say something. Hopefully I can hit 500,000 subscribers by my birthday, which is coming up very soon. Well, I want to say someone requests a curry chicken recipe from me, and I'm gonna definitely make it. Guys, I have a lot of curry chicken on my YouTube channel, but guys, I'm happy. I will do it. I'm just happy, and you know what I mean, if anyone requests anything, I will just do it. Just tell me, guys, and I will definitely make it for you. Well, someone requests me some curry chicken. I'm gonna make the curry chicken, but I'm gonna give it a little twist on it, because the person was saying, can I give it a different style from the, you know, but I'm gonna give it this really nice way how you can make some curry chicken at home. Very simple, easy, done and dusted. Share with some plain rice. Love it, guys. Thank you very much for your subscribe, for your comments, for your guys. You're the star. Thank God for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to make it, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Thank you very much. Right over here I have some chicken. As you can see, I just wash off my chicken, get it clean up, and I get the skin removed, chop it up into curry style. Right over here I have 2 pounds of chicken, which is gonna be working out to 2 kilos of chicken. All over here you can see my lemon, all of my season. Right over here I have a glass of chopped tomato. You can get that at the local shop, supermarket, anywhere. But as you can see, this is all of my seasoning which I'm gonna use. Right over here I have some spring and some white onion, garlic. Also, guys, I tell you, you're gonna love it. Subscribe to the channel, please. You're gonna love it. As I can see, all of my ingredients: the chicken, wash off into lemon over there. I got chicken season, meat season, all-purpose season, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it now with this nice, lovely requested curry chicken recipe. Thank you. Nice one. As you can see, this is my little medium-sized pot where now I'm gonna cook my curry chicken in, or some other different kind of stuff. Look inside of it. You can see it even have some little scrape and stuff inside of it. It was a non-stick pot, but I cooked so many things in it, man. I'm telling you, but it's a nice pot. I love to use it. Now, first of all, my pot is on the stove. That's the first thing you need to do, guys. Preheat it up your pot for about roughly 2 minutes, 2 seconds to 3 seconds. Second thing, I'm gonna put some vegetable oil. That's the vegetable oil. I'm putting roughly a large spoon, 2 large spoons of vegetable oil inside of the pot. That's the first thing if you do. If you notice, that's the oil inside of the pot. Medium size heat at the moment, roughly 2 seconds now since I have in the oil. So far, what I need to do is to put in the seasoning which we just cut up. The garlic, spring onion, and also the white onion. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, they didn't tell me why you use much season. Alright, okay. I'm gonna tell you the season which I did use. I'm using a medium-sized white onion and also 4 cloves of garlic and 2 sparks of spring onion. So you need to stir it like this and leave it for it to fry, because I want it to fry right to get a little bit more heat. So now, if you can see, I'm frying up the garlic, spring onion, and white onion. Lovely. So, as you can see, roughly 3 minutes now since I've been frying up the white onion and all of this natural season. Now we're going to put in some curry powder inside of it. I'm going to put in a large spoon of curry powder inside of it. 1.5 spoon of curry powder inside of it, just like that. Then next you need to give it a nice little stir. Get the curry burned off inside of the pot. You notice what I'm doing right here, guys, as you can see. Then next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in some 1 spoon of meat seasoning. And also we're gonna put in some everyday seasoning, 1 spoon of everyday seasoning, 1 large spoon. And also some chicken seasoning. We're gonna put some chicken seasoning also inside of it. 1 spoon of chicken seasoning like this, guys. That's the chicken seasoning. Or you must say, no, Jamaican, they love to use seasoning. Every Jamaican in the own normally put some coarse pepper inside of it. Normally season their meat the right and proper way. Then give it a stir like this, so like you're making the egg paste. Lovely and nice. Then next, what you need to do, right over here I have some fresh thyme. I'm not gonna put it on in it. I'm just rubbing off the thyme just like this. I'm not wanting inside of it as pieces, so that's what I'm doing. Then give it a stir. Seems like you're making a paste. Nice and lovely, guys. If you never see, oh my days, that smells so lovely and nice. I love the scent of it. It smells so really good. The next what you need to do is to get the chicken and put it straight inside of it. So as you can see what I'm doing right here, guys, it's like a paste. Lovely and nice. That's the best way you could ever make lovely nice curry chicken, is to burn out the curry. Now we're gonna put the chicken inside of it like this. That's the chicken. Make sure you get the chicken cleaned up, wash off really good. Give it a nice stir, and then you're gonna see that beautiful color start to come on top of the chicken. With all of those seasoning and everything which you just put in, you're gonna see the chicken that's changing to that beautiful color. So that's the color of the chicken. Lovely and nice. So what you need to do now, as you can see, simple. Cover it like this. Leave it on the stove for roughly one nice good 10 minutes on a medium-sized heat, and it's gonna be sweating its own juice inside of the pot. So guys, you're gonna love the recipe. Thank you very much. Nice, but as you can see, it springs a little bit of juice by itself inside of it. And what I'm gonna simply do now, guys, I just peel 2 medium-sized potato and a small carrot, which I'm just gonna add to it to give it a little color. So I'm gonna put them straight inside of it, and I was just cooking off into roughly about 10 minutes now, since I've been on a medium-sized heat. Turn on your stove a little bit low, guys, not too high. So I just put in 2 small potato and a medium-sized carrot, just to give it a little color. And now I'm gonna add 1 tin of chopped tomato inside of it like this. Lovely, full of glass. As you can see, what I did a while ago, I just had that tomato inside of it, guys. Well, most Jamaican, when they're cooking it, they do not put tomato inside of it. That's most English people do this. Some people in Jamaica probably might do it, but when I'm cooking a real Jamaican curry chicken, I will never put tomato juice inside of it. Love. But you can see, looking lovely so far. I'm gonna add a little bit of water inside of it. Half cup of water inside of it. You don't need too much water, guys. Okay. Then just to make the Irish and the carrot cook and cook down a little bit more. You just give it a little taste to see. Oh, that tastes really nice. That's really nice, guys. You're gonna love this one. So turn up my stove a little bit more, and as you can see, looking lovely so far. Now I'm gonna leave it down to cook. So as you can see, guys, this is just a nice, lovely, simple little way how you can cook your curry chicken at home. And also you can add a little bit of sweet chili sauce also inside of it. Bring up the flavor a little bit. If you do like, you can add a little bit of sweet chili sauce inside of it. And also you can simply put a little bit of sugar, because the reason why I put sugar inside of it, a lot of people don't know. As I'm a chef and I do a lot of research, the sugar will give it a different taste, because sugar and curry goes really well. A lot of people don't know that, but I tell you, I do the research and I recognize it do work together really good. So as you can see, now I'm gonna just leave this for it to cook down for another 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, enjoy the recipe. I'm not going no more further with this curry chicken. This is finished. I'm not. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. Looking lovely. So now I'm gonna shear it out, guys. As you can see, now it's 20 minutes now since I leave it. Make it just go and cook and simmer down. So now I'm gonna shear it out, make you guys can see what I'm talking about. Looking so lovely and nice with some plain rice at the side. Ah, man, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful curry chicken recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe. I'm gonna plate it out, share it out, and you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Looking lovely and nice. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We have a lot more recipes for you. Just plate it up, guys. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. And the coleslaw, I'm gonna put a link below for the coleslaw, guys. But as you can see, looking lovely and nice, guys. I want you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and this is a curry requested recipe. Someone requested and I just said, you know what, I will make it. I don't have a lot of curry on my YouTube channel, but that's fine. I'm here to cook for anyone. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you. So enjoy the recipe, and thank you very much for requesting this curry chicken from Chef Ricardo. If you see anything you like, write it and Chef Ricardo will see it and make it for you. Thank you very much, guys.